This project demonstrates the design and development of a new advanced driver assistance system using a single sensor cluster architecture that integrates existing standalone driver assistance systems and also provides a platform to incorporate new functionalities, hence reducing system cost and improving driver safety and comfort through reliable performance. Our design eliminates the use of multiple sensors by using a single inertial measurement unit consisting of an accelerometer and a gyroscope for achieving all the required functionalities of the various inertial accessory systems.
This is the test bed or the working prototype demonstrating the advanced driver assistance systems using MEMS based inertial measurement unit for the Texas Instruments Analog Design Contest 2010. As you can see, all the electronics have been mounted on the thermocouple. Now, the TI components that we have used are the LM3S2965 evaluation board, the CC2510 wireless system on chip, and the L293D motor driver. The other components that we have used are the BMA 183 axis accelerometer, the ITG 3200 3-axis gyroscope, the L298N motor driver, an electronic buzzer, and a few indicating LEDs. Now, the BMA 180 accelerometer is connected to the LM3S2965 evaluation board to the SPI interface, and the ITG 3200 is connected to the I2C interface. The car is propelled by DC motors. As you can see, there are two DC motors over here which propel the car backward and forward, and the direction of the car is controlled by the DC motor for controlling the drive shaft. As you can see, this is the steering pad used to control the direction of the car. Here you can see the BMA 183 axis accelerometer, and here is the CC2510 wireless system on chip. And these two buttons are used to control the car for moving it in the forward and reverse direction. So the tilt direct data is sent wirelessly through the CC2510 present on the steering pad to the CC2510 present in the car.
An active suspension features lowering of suspension based on vehicle velocity, thereby reducing chances of rollover. The control objective of active suspension is to reduce ground clearance as speed increases. Initially, the upper LED glows indicating a higher ground clearance, and as the speed of the car increases beyond a certain value, the lower LED glows indicating a lower ground clearance. One of the most popular ways to steal a car is to simply tow it away. In response to this threat, many automakers included anti-theft systems incorporating fluid tilt sensors. However, these large electrolytic fluid tilt sensors did not have the required sensitivity for the application and also fell short in many other areas. The electronic buzzer beeps when the car is tilted beyond a particular value and moved forward while being locked. Conventional cars mainly use hydraulic and mechanical technology for steering the vehicle, and although the systems are powerful, they can be overly complex, inefficient, and conducive to wear and tear over the years. Our innovative drive-by-wire technology could change the way people drive, and mainly relies on the electronics to control steering. As you can see in this video, the tilt direction data from the steering pad is used to control the steering of the vehicle. This system is basically present in vans, pickup trucks, and sport utility vehicles, which are more likely to roll over because of their higher center of gravity. It reads the roll angle and roll rate of the vehicle to determine if it is tipping over. If it is, the system fires the side curtain airbags to protect the occupants. As you can see, the buzzer beeps only when there is a rapid change in roll angle, indicating that side airbags have been deployed in order to protect the occupants from rollover. Used when starting a vehicle from a stop on a hill to prevent it from moving backward by maintaining the same level of brake pressure the driver applied for a short period of time after the foot has been removed from the brake pedal. The system will release the brake pedal in proportion to the time elapsed the amount of throttle applied or until engagement of half clutch. We couldn't achieve this functionality entirely as we couldn't completely stop the DC motor from moving backwards. It allows a smooth and controlled hill descent on rough or slippery terrain without the driver needing to touch the brake pedal. This system applies the brakes to each wheel individually when needed to reduce forward motion while negotiating down steep grades. Car with no hill descent control. Car with hill descent control. This system ensures that the headlights are always pointed onto the roads even while traveling on curves by tilting the focus of the lights accordingly in order to maintain maximum visibility.